Hey everyone, I'm Claudio and welcome back to another video on this channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about how you can organize your time better using your calendar app and give you ideas of how you can improve your productivity and life balance overall. First of all, I want to let you know that several years ago I was really bad at organizing my time because I used to forget about tickets I bought for opera, theater and some important meetings. But that is perfectly normal because I had a lot of things planned and it's really hard to keep track of everything. But since I'm using the calendar app, I no longer encounter such problems. So, in order to have a more organized life in which you won't forget about things, you can count on technology and use a calendar app. For this video, I'm going to use Google Calendar. Now, I will let you know about things you can take in consideration when you use the calendar based on my personal experience. Synchronize your calendar with your mobile phone. Use the same email address on all the devices you use for calendar because we all have our mobile phone close to us so we can quickly access our calendar or receive notifications. New habit reminder. In case you want to introduce a new habit like read every morning for 5 minutes, what you can do in order to remind about this, you can create a recurrent event. We'll call it read every day. We'll set it for a duration of 5 minutes and every day at 7 a.m. Make sure that you will receive a notification so you will remind about this. Free trial analysis. When you go for a free trial, you may want with a day or two before you start paying to see if the product is worth paying or not, so that you will remember when it's the last day before your subscription starts. So make sure you create a calendar event. Draft events. When you plan any activities in the future, even though you are not certain that it is going to happen, just create the event. The way I do is to add in front of the title the word draft, like draft interview with John, and in case I become certain that the event is going to happen, I just delete the word draft. Otherwise, I remove the calendar event completely. This is important because this is going to prevent you from adding other events over the draft ones. Plan activities in the future. If you buy tickets for workshop, opera, concert, or even an appointment to a doctor or anything else, just make sure you add a calendar event because you won't forget it. Be specific with the title. When you create a calendar event, make sure you add a title according to what is really going to happen and a description if it's really necessary. Don't just add a random name because you'll be confused and you have no idea afterwards what you really meant initially. Now I will show you a bad example. Maybe in the moment in which you created these events, you had an idea what to do. But after a while, you'll forget and you'll wonder what is going on here. Meanwhile, a good example would look like this. In this example, I can figure out about all of these events, and if it's required, I can add for each an extra description. Create more calendars. In case you have a calendar for both work and personal life, I strongly recommend you to have two calendars, one for work and one for personal activities. And you can split even further, like one for traveling and one for family, in which every member of your family can access the family calendar. Flight information. When you make a flight reservation, make sure that you receive the flight information on the same email address as you use on your calendar, because it will automatically create for you a calendar event. The really nice thing about this is that you will automatically be notified in case there are some delays with your plane or even the terminal changes. Google Meet. If you invite one or more people to an event, then make sure you check the notes because Google is automatically generating for you a link to Google Meet so you can quickly jump in a call. And that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, leave a comment below, like and share so others can find about it too. Until next time, goodbye.